Welcome to the WION podcast, where we explore fascinating stories and ideas from various fields. In this episode, we explore how a Strait of Hormuz blockade is pushing oil prices toward crisis levels, as the IEA warns that soaring costs could trigger widespread demand destruction across global markets. At the center of this unfolding crisis lies a fragile balance between geopolitics and global energy stability. Oil prices have skyrocketed since the conflict began, and the body has warned that high prices would slash demand for crude. This will be a major blow to the global economy as it heavily depends on crude. Oil prices registered their largest one-month gain ever in March, the IEA said. In a report, the Paris-based group warned that this could trigger a widespread bout of demand destruction. If this happens, oil will become unaffordable for many buyers, which will push them to turn to finding alternatives or stop the use of energy altogether. Oil prices have been largely affected by the closure of the Strait of Hormuz after the US and Israel attacked Iran. The waterway facilitates the transport of about one-fifth of the global supply of oil and natural gas. After high-level peace talks between Iran and the US broke down, America imposed a naval blockade of the Strait of Hormuz. With this move, Donald Trump is trying to cripple Iran's economy. The IEA report warns that oil demand could fall to 80,000 barrels per day this year in the current scenario. The group's previous monthly report had forecasted a year-over-year growth of 640,000 barrels per day, and the latest figures suggest a sharp fall. Demand destruction will spread as scarcity and higher prices persist, IEA said. Meanwhile, oil prices registered a fall of about 6% on Tuesday, as traders seem hopeful of a peaceful negotiation of the Iran conflict. West Texas Intermediate futures, the U.S. trading standard, were priced at approximately $88 to $92 per barrel as of mid-April 2026. While this is less than the surge of $117 earlier in the month, oil remains roughly 37% higher than its pre-war baseline. In March, the IEA said its member nations would release 400 million barrels of oil from their emergency reserves. This would be the largest oil release in the group's history that comprises 32 member nations, including the United States. The conflict in the Middle East is having significant impacts on global oil and gas markets, with major implications for energy security, energy affordability, and the global economy. Faith Birol, executive director of the IEA, said last month. Thanks for tuning into this incredible story. If this episode resonated with you, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button for more captivating stories to come. Stay tuned.